On Wednesday of this week, family and friends turned out in an unusual fashion just to say their final farewell to Khanice Jackson. Khanice Jackson's life was viciously snuffed out by someone she knew some weeks ago. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back with the details to come on the program. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 7 TV. Let's talk. It was an emotional moment for the family and close friends of Khanice Jackson as they turned out just to pay their final respect to the female whose life was taken viciously some weeks ago. And I can tell you it was such an emotional send-off as the family took the time out just to reflect on those memories that they would have shared with Khanice Jackson. Those in attendance including the mother of Khanice Jackson, her father, and even her brother as well, were among the mourners who gathered just at this special service in order to give her her final send-off. 20-year-old Khanice Jackson, who was abducted and taken out last month, was buried on Wednesday of this week. She was laid to rest at the Dovecot Memorial Park in St. Catherine. Miss Jackson, a resident of Independence City in Portmore, St. Catherine, was found unresponsive on Dyke Road on March 26, 2 days after she was reported missing. Robert Fowler, a 50-year-old mechanic, has been charged with the abduction and taking out of Miss Khanice Jackson and is scheduled to appear in court in July of this year. Now, all I can say is that it's really an emotional time for the family and friends of Khanice Jackson, as just a few months ago she would have been here, she would have been alive and full of the spirit of just life within her, and her life was taken by someone that she trusted, someone that she would have been around on numerous occasions. And it's very sad to see what transpired to this female, but this is just an eye-opener as well for many out there, that you can't even trust the closest people to you, because some of the time the people that you trust, they are the one that can turn against you. Those that gathered at the funeral service for Khanice Jackson, they just took the time to reflect on the fun moments that they would have shared with the 20-year-old. And I can tell you it was such an emotional send-off for her. And at times it seemed as if many wanted to be in tears just to know that just a few weeks ago she would have been here, she would have full of life, and now this unfortunate situation occurred and snuffed her life out so quickly. We here at Links 7 TV as well just want to take this opportunity and use our platform just to express once more our sincere condolences to the family and friends of Khanice Jackson. Thanks for watching. Peace out, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to support the movement of Links 7 TV.